Hi everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle of Mr. D blogspot.com, and it's Friday, August 13th, Friday the 13th, ouch. Today, I have been in school now for 2 weeks. This is the end of the second week, and I'm gonna do a Get It Together Day, is what I'm calling it. Because I've given them a lot of different things to deal with, like getting their syllabus signed, signing up for Music Prodigy, signing up for Google Classroom, signing up for Remind. I mean, it's been a lot. And you know, this is the end of the second week of school after a lot of kids haven't been in school for a really long time. So I feel like they need the guidance that we weren't always able to give them last year. So we are going to walk in the door and they're gonna see this today. And basically I've got the classroom. If you look around me, I'm gonna give you a second to take this in or screenshot it. This is what the classroom looks like. I have a little bit of dirt on the floor, sorry. I have stations. So right here is station 1, and it's labeled on top here. Quiz tutoring. Yesterday we had a quiz. I was basically reading the choral octavo because that hasn't happened in a really long time. And station 2 and 3 are all for that purpose because some classes I had, kids that got under 70, enough that I want to have 3 stations. Okay, so I've got folders there so that my kids that received 100s can tutor them. I want to make sure that all the kids understand that because I'm hitting the music really hard next week. And then station 4 is going to have students who can go ask other students about getting into the Google Classroom, and they can be shown, even though I've done it myself, I'm just trying a different way. We're making it student-centered. This station 5 is Music Prodigy sign up to make sure kids can do that. If they don't have their phones here, because we don't have our devices yet, they can do it at home. But I just want to make sure, sometimes kids can say things in ways that I can't, and I've done it that way, and there's still some kids that haven't signed up. So this is the Chorus Dues info station. So a kid's gonna, take them to the link I put in the Google Classroom, show them that one-on-one kind of thing I think is important, especially in my larger classes. This is going to be where a child who has a really nice personal folder with the warm-ups in it shows them the rubric. Even though I've done this, right? I've done this in class. It's just a different way to do it. The rubric for folder checking, what we're looking for when I check their personal folders, written warm-ups. And then this station, 8, is going to be for the black folders. So some kids maybe came into class yesterday for the first day, and I have my little list over here about, what is your folder number, class period. And I've made sure to, they know what to do, but some kids, they just need a kid to show them. And then the final station is gonna be me at the piano, working with boys whose voices have changed and maybe they're in the basement. For the last 2 weeks, I've been saying to the boys as we've been playing the game Forbidden Pattern, I want you to notice if you're in the basement, or notice if you're having trouble matching pitch. And I've done my lesson 3 of ear training for S Cubed, so they know, these kids know, they just need my help. So I'll be up here doing that. So it'll be a bit of chaos in the room, but it's good chaos. Like in S Cubed lesson 6, it's good chaos. We can do it, and I will guide it through and help everybody hopefully get caught up and wake up to what they need to do this weekend, because Monday I'm hitting it and we've already begun preparing for the concerts coming up September 24th, but I just want to make sure everybody's on strong footing. Hope that helps. Have a good day.